I'm also going to go ahead and replace the front hub, stock hub on the front. I went out and bought a new balancer. This is actually SFI rated. It's a Summit brand. It's about 200 bucks. We're going to go ahead and replace that with this one here. We're actually getting it lined up on top dead center. We did it from a previous videos. We had it already marked, so we're just going to set it top dead zero, and then we'll be able to pull this off. Then we'll be able to line this one up at zero as well. So yes, then when we tighten the front bolt, this little bracket here is actually going to go on the back, and it actually will lock it in place so we can get a lot of torque on it. We don't have to worry about holding it. So I'll show you how all that's set up here when we get to that point. Okay, this little device here, it actually locks, it actually you see it's on the teeth there of the flex plate, so it actually goes in the same place where the starter is at, so it lets us loosen and tighten the front bolt on the balancer. So that's what we're getting ready to do next. Okay, we're getting ready to pull it with this puller. This is a must if you're going to pull any LS pulleys off the front of the motor. This tool works really good. Also, I don't know if you can see that or not, but this balancer, we already marked it from the, you probably seen in the previous videos where we marked it zero, so this makes it pretty easy to line all this stuff up. But basically we're going to pull it off, then we stick the other one on, we'll line it up right there at zero, so we should be good to go. So we're going to go ahead and yank this off here and get the other one installed. Okay, and to remove it, all you do is, oh wow, keep turning on this, comes off pretty easy. I guess how many times we had this on and off, maybe it just makes it easier. There we go. Better hold on to it so it doesn't hit my foot when it comes off. It's interesting, it moved it a little bit. Okay, just like that, comes right off. Okay, we're getting ready to install this. This installation tool right here makes putting these balancers on pretty easy. It's a tool I got from Summit, but it puts these on really easy. So we're going to go ahead and put that on, see how that goes. I'll have my dad here hold the camera, and we'll try to demonstrate how easy it is to put this sucker on. Just keep turning, push your bottoms out. Oops.
Oh, it clicked off.
No, it's fine.
I can't see now.
That's fine. Be quiet. Okay, we get one more snug, just make sure. I think it's on the bottom. Yeah. Okay. Once you snug like that, no sense putting any more torque on it. It's not going to go further. All you do here is loosen that guy up and spin them on out. And like that. So it's all on there.
Good.